know that changing your YouTube channel name and handle can completely transform your brand and boost your growth? But there's a catch. You have to do it in the right way. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your YouTube channel name and handle step by step, whether you are on the mobile or PC, and I'll also share some important things you need to know before making the switch. Now, before you rush to change your name, let me warn you, YouTube allows only 3 changes every 90 days. So, you better get it right the first time. Let's dive in. What's the difference between a YouTube channel name and handle? Many people get confused between a YouTube channel name and a handle. Your channel name is what appears on your videos, comments, and homepage. It's your brand identity, but your handle is your unique @username, which helps people find and tag your channel across YouTube. For example, if your channel name is Tech Genius, your handle might be @TechGeniusYT. Sounds simple, right? But here's the problem. If your handle is taken, you'll have to get creative. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix that later in this video. So, how to change your YouTube channel name in mobile and PC guide. Let's start with the mobile method. It's super easy. Open the YouTube app and tap on your profile picture. Select your channel and tap on the edit pencil icon. Tap in your new channel name and hit save. Now, if you're on PC, here's what to do. Go to YouTube Studio, studio.youtube.com, click Customization, then Basic Info, enter your new channel name, then Save Changes. Boom, your channel name is updated, but hold on, your handle is still the same. Let's fix that. Now, let's talk about how to change your YouTube handle or @username. Open your YouTube Studio and go to Customization, Basic Info, find the handle or the @username and type in your new handle. If it's available, click Save, done. But wait, what if your handle is already taken? No worries, try adding a dot, number, or extra word. For example, instead of @TechGenius, go for @TechGeniusYT or @TheTechGenius. Get creative. There are a few things to consider before changing your name and handle. YouTube only allows 3 name changes every 90 days, so don't keep experimenting. Changing your handle affects your channel URL, meaning old links won't redirect. Your branding matters. Choose the name that's easy to remember, unique, and SEO friendly. And here's a pro tip. If your channel name is too long or hard to spell, shorten it for better branding. Here are some common issues and fixes. Handle is already taken. Try adding numbers or extra words. Changes not updating. Clear your cache and wait a few hours. Not seeing the option? Make sure your account is verified and updated. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about changing your YouTube name and handle. A good channel name and handle can make your brand stand out and attract more viewers. But be careful, once you change it, you're stuck with it for a while. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you planning to change your YouTube name or do you need help picking a new one? Drop a comment below and I'll reply to as many as I can. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. More awesome YouTube tips are coming your way. See you in the next video.